This is a 2024 IBEX 19BHEO, Larry.
EO?
EO.
What's the EO stand
So
for?
this is something new for 2024 that IBEX came out with. It's actually right here in writing, Larry. Essentials only.
Oh my gosh.
So it's pretty much, you get all the AZDEL material that they offer in the IBEX. You still get the build quality, but they just cut it down so it's more price-driven machine. So
Okay.
you still have all the essentials you need to go RV in without a big price tag.
Essentials only.
Right, correct. So super neat unit. As you can see, I got the awning out a little bit with the lights on. There's that nice little docking right there. Also, you have a quick connect right here, Larry.
Oh.
So that'll bring your grill with you.
So if you wanted to.
You can plug right in, it'll run right off your LP gas line.
There you go.
So I had a customer last week I sold to. They came up here and they were looking for a unit similar to this, but they needed a little bit smaller, right? And so we really try to listen to our customers here. And we want to sell our customers what they need for their camping needs. So this unit right here would be great for somebody that has a small family and it has bunks in it. You'll see. So let's come on inside, right?
Okay.
So the way I have it set up right now, Larry, I have this as like a little chase or just like a little twin bed it can be.
Right.
And then you know, take this cushion up and this will turn into a little dinette.
There's a dinette.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So technically by manufacturer standards, this can sleep 7. But it really depends on the children's size for these beds.
So that's a double bunk.
Double bunk.
Okay.
Same thing here. So 2 small ones here, 2 small ones here, 1 there, 2 on the queen size bed.
Oh, is there a bed out there?
So check this out, babe. Not only is there a bed, you got your couch.
Oh, that's a jackknife.
Quick little down, move the pillows out the way. If we were truly doing it, this will come down.
Ah.
Bed on top, really
There
that
you
easy.
go.
And obviously that lay flat if I take the pillows out.
Right.
And to get it back up. And then nice thing too, Larry, this has the nice overhead storage with the struts on it. I know that's one of your favorite things on these cabinets.
It makes all the difference because you
As
don't
an
have to
IBEX
hold it
owner
open.
you are.
Yes.
But the butcher block, Larry, this has really caught my eye with IBEX. I love how the detail they do on this, just free cut butcher block style. I like that. And it's nice texture, so it's not real slick, so things won't slide off it.
Right.
Another nice thing, they got a little stove top up here with a little backsplash. Put that up like that, 2 burner. But underneath here, instead of an oven, you actually have a convection oven / microwave. And it's full of all the brand new goodies because this is a 2024 we just got in.
Right.
Also over here, you're gonna have your Furrion, Larry, refrigerator.
That's
Pretty nice size,
wow.
really.
That is pretty big.
Got your freezer
Pretty
up
deep.
here. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
When I was looking at it, it's super deep. Again, up here, you're gonna have your struts.
And actually, these have 2 struts.
2 struts on each side.
Yeah.
It's really cool too, Larry. Most the dumps on the AC units aren't as attractive as this one. This is a neat looking
That is
cover,
pretty good.
you know? So I really like that a lot. And you got your 2 filters on each side that you can change, really easy access. You can rinse them out in your sink, dry them, really easy.
And that's a Furrion.
Yeah, Furrion, yep.
Okay.
And then coming back here, Larry, you're gonna have another pantry / closet, towels, whatever you want to put in here.
Okay.
And then we'll move on into the bathroom. And as you can see, it still has the butcher block countertops.
They do a nice job with this.
They really do. Yeah.
Got the skylight in there for
A little bit taller people than us.
individuals.
Yeah. Plus it does that natural light in. So Larry, another key feature is this unit only weighs 3,500 pounds.
3,500
So
pounds.
this
Dry weight?
Dry weight, 3,500 pounds.
Wow.
So pretty much anything can almost tow this. I mean, most of your SUVs,
Yeah.
some of your small trucks.
How long is it?
So this one, you're going to be right, what is this one? 23.3 to be exact.
That's not a bad
No,
size.
so that's a really good size unit, and it's roomy, you know, really roomy. And then right over here also, Larry, you can have more,
Oh,
I mean, space everywhere.
plenty of storage.
So they did really well on the storage. I like how they do their ceilings in here, the finished ceilings. So the good thing about this, Larry, even though it's a 24, I'm still doing a ridiculous price on this thing. I am selling this thing right now for $26,900, Larry, for a 2024 IBEX.
Wow.
So that is a heck of a deal. And we have other floor plans here. So just because we showed you this floor plan, you might have a different family setup. This is more geared to the family that has, you know, the kids or grandkids that want to come along. But we do have a couple coaches, and we have bigger coaches also. So if you'd like to have more information about it, please call me on my cell phone. I can be reached at 252-455-6110, and I look forward to hearing from you guys. And also, don't forget this month, we're doing
We have a busy
Giving
month.
November. This is the Giving Month. We're going to give back to the community. So check our event calendars. You can look on our Facebook, our webpage. We've got a lot going on. We're even raffling off an RV.
There you go.
How about that? So come on down and see me and Larry.
All right. Thanks.